This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and today we're going to demonstrate the 1-minute adjustment. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to palpate her spine to find out where she's out of place. And a very skilled chiropractor can do this easily. Find out exactly where the patient's out of place. Do the examination. We check her leg length. She's a ½ an inch short on her right leg. I'm going to bring it up, see how it gets even. It raises her pelvis up, so I know that she's got a sacroiliac subluxation right here. We're going to adjust that first. Perfect. Sacrum in the middle. Left sacroiliac joint. Then L5. L4. And notice how the angle on my arm is changing with the line of drive. That was L1. Put a nice little lateral stretch in there. Perfect. And now I'm going to let her head down just a little bit. And real easy here. Just nice and easy. Perfect. Excellent. Got one more right there. Perfect. Now I want you just to let your head relax. Yes, ma'am. Good job. Excellent. Very good. Now we're going to come back down here and check her leg length. Perfect. Exactly even. How's that feel?
Very good.
Better? Good. Let's turn on your back real quick so we can get this 1-minute adjustment done. All right. Very good. Excellent. Perfect. I know you can probably hear that on camera as well. Very nice. And now we're going to have her sit up sideways. And she's got some shoulder issues because she works on the computer all day long. So we're going to adjust her shoulders back in. I know you heard that one. And this one's about to fall out of the socket. There it is. Very good. Your 1-minute adjustment from your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We'll see you next time.